Suffix tion. What it does, turns a verb, which is an action word, into a noun, which is a thing, idea, or result. It means the act of or the result of. When to use tion. When the root word ends in t or doesn't change much when adding the suffix. Examples: act becomes action, the act of doing something. Invent becomes invention, something invented. Educate becomes education, the act of learning. Fun tip for kids: if the root word has a t in it or looks the same, you might need tion. Suffix sion. What it does also turns a verb into a noun just like tion. It means the act of or the result of too. When to use sion when the root word ends in d or s. It often makes a jun sound like in decision. Examples: decide becomes decision, the result of deciding. Confuse becomes confusion, the act of being confused. Divide becomes division, the act of dividing. Fun tip for kids: if the root word ends in d or s, try sion instead of tion. Suffix ive. What it does, turns a verb into an adjective, which is a word that describes something. It means having the quality of or tending to do something. When to use ive when describing a person, thing, or action with a certain quality or behavior. Examples: create becomes creative, good at creating things. Attract becomes attractive, having the quality of attracting. Talk becomes talkative, tending to talk a lot. Fun tip for kids: if you want to describe how something is, think about using ive.